yeah, as you guys can see, my reverse light is currently not working, and I have to replace the sensor in order for the reverse lights to work. So in this video today, I'm going to be replacing a 240SX S13 reverse sensors. So the part that I'm going to be working with, this is the reverse plug sensor. And basically this part is a 19 millimeter, so you want to use a crescent wrench to take it off and then basically plug it into the harness side from here, and this part will go directly onto the manual transmission. So yeah, first is to jack up the car and then find where the sensor is. I'm currently under the car, so this is the transmission by the slave cylinder, so that's gonna be the reverse light. So today I will have to replace that because this car was manual swapped from automatic. The guy that I got it done, he took out the plug socket and then replaced it with those plugs. So I'll have to unplug that and then unbolt the sensor from the transmission and then basically rewiring it to the right wiring. So yeah, it's actually a lot tedious than I expected, but we're just gonna get right in. I'm over here. Alright, so I just checked and then it worked. So now I'm going to basically wrap this around separately and then make sure they are covered and they don't touch each other, because if they do then it's gonna short. And then the fuse will be blown, so I'm going to quickly wrap it with electrical tape, and yeah, that's it. This is the wrap of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I think it was pretty straightforward. If you guys have any questions, you guys can comment down below. And follow all my social media. Please subscribe my channel. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.